It is very much summer out there, but classes, before you know it, are soon going to start back up for college-bound students. These days, campuses are providing more than valuable education. Many are expanding student health services. Live is Eric Smutlin with Hartford Healthcare to tell us what parents and students can expect. Eric, thank you for being here with us.
Yeah, thanks so much for having me.
So tell us more about this on-campus care trend and why is it so important?
Campus care started pre-pandemic, actually recognizing that when care is delivered in a silo and it's not connected to the specialties that people need when they access care, it's not as effective. And so students coming to the University of Bridgeport are actually getting this year the benefit of the connectedness that Hartford Healthcare Campus Care is able to bring the Student Health Center with our physicians and our nurses and our APRNs actually providing the care at the University of Bridgeport.
So let's get into how students benefit from this type of partnership that you're hinting at.
Yeah, so specifically, if you imagine if you have a sore throat, you don't know what's going on, you just don't feel well, and you open the door to the University of Bridgeport Student Health Center, it's as if you walked into a Hartford Healthcare Medical Group location with all the access to all the highest level of excellence in specialties that you can imagine, because that provider is able to assess you, triage, and make sure you get connected to the bests that Fairfield County have to offer, which are right in the community. Our urgent care location is right just a few miles away, so no one has to go to the emergency room. We're making sure that we deliver accessible, affordable care in partnership at the University of Bridgeport.
That's so important. And what about after-hour care? I know sometimes that can be tricky, but this is being offered.
It is, and it's a really exciting time because access to the services at the University of Bridgeport, most are open kind of 8 to 4, yet this partnership actually allows the students to go right down the road to our urgent care and receive the same kind of connected access that they would on campus. We'll actually also be able to deliver from the same providers virtual access to care up until 8 p.m. at night and for 12 hours on the weekends through virtual care access. So it's really outstanding that if you are a parent and you're sending your child to the University of Bridgeport, for which they have like 4,000 students there, you can be assured that their healthcare partner is bringing excellence in everything that they do.
It's an important topic. What kind of questions should students and even parents be asking to be better informed to make sure that they're following up with the health of their kids?
Yeah, so you should ask, how do my student and I partner with the health services? And so you should expect to hear things like, well, every visit we're going to be doing screenings for anxiety and depression. You should hear that there is a connection between that and the counseling services. You should be able to ask the questions, what if, and if you have that question in your mind, who do we connect with? I will tell you that the University of Bridgeport providers and their administration will be able to have an answer for that. You will be able to be connected to world-class cardiology. You will be connected to world-class orthopedic care at the Connecticut Orthopedic Institute. You should feel very secure with those answers of excellent care.
Eric Smutlin, great information. Thank you so much for joining us today.